Hey Steemians, reseller here. Do you like Steem monsters and do you like real gold? Well, I got a video today for you. Hey everyone, reseller here, and today I got a really interesting vlog for you all. Gold Matters, aka Mr. Gold, posted a blog post looking for gold legendary cards. And for those that don't know, on Steem Monsters, they introduced gold cards about a week ago. And what those are special inserts where they take a regular card and they turn it into a gold version variant. Now, these are very hard to find. As a matter of fact, some of the legendaries are extremely hard to find, as some of them, there's only like 3 or 4 or 5 of them in the entire world. They're so hard to find. And I want to say the percentage on trying to pull one of those is insane. It's even less than 0.1% of a chance, which is crazy. So I was lucky enough to get a retroactive one, meaning where I bought so many packs over the last few weeks. When Steem Monsters came out, I was purchasing all kinds of packs. This is before I even became the social media director there. And so what happens is, they were nice enough to do retroactive gold. So a lot of people in their accounts, depending on, I don't know the algorithm, but depending on maybe how many packs they bought or how many cards they had in their collection, some of those cards turn into gold cards. And I was lucky enough to have a legendary gold card, which was the Frost Giant. Now, back it up to the Gold Matters post. Gold Matters was actually offering 2 24 karat Mene charms for those that were interested in doing a trade for a legendary gold card. And some of those gold cards were going for like 300 SBD, 250 SBD. I forget what the highest price paid was, and I think it was for a Selena Sky. And so there was that, and I saw the post, and I'm like, man, this actually sounds like a very interesting trade. Now, I was thinking like, man, is this actually worth it? Because right now, no one knows what the true value of these cards are going to be in the future. And from what I heard, the gold cards are going to be really hard to get. As a matter of fact, they're really hard to get now. So going back in the future, who knows? But the price of gold is pretty much set. That's something that you can look up. And so I want to say the 2 charms weighed in at about 6.5 grams. That was what was stated in Gold Matters blog post. And I thought, you know what? Let's do it. I have the legendary card, and I hope I don't kick myself for trading this down the road if that card ends up becoming like a very valuable card. But I thought it'd be cool to get some Mene Gold. A lot of people have been talking about this. You've probably seen some of the unboxing videos that some of the ladies have done here on Steem It. So I thought, you know what the hell? I have this legendary figure. I would love to have a charm, some investment gold. And so we did the trade. So now it's just a waiting game to wait for the gold to come in, the gold to come in the mail. So we're looking forward to that. The card has been sent, so there's all that. That transaction's been taken care of. Now it is just the waiting game for the gold. So this is actually crazy, trading virtual gold for real physical investment gold. Now, real quick, if you're interested in Mene products, Gold Matters has an affiliate link below. Definitely go and click on that. So now it's, like I said, it's the waiting game. We're gonna wait for the gold, and as soon as it comes, we'll be right back at you. Take care. All right, everyone, so today is the day we finally got the box. After a couple days from Gold Matters, we got it right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and let you guys know what's going on. So you'll get to see this live as I see it live, and just to check it out. So very excited, stay tuned, and here comes the live unboxing. All right, so here is the unboxing of the 2 Mene gold charms here. Packaged beautifully here. As we can see here, there is 2 boxes, and some ribbons here. We're going to put those to the side right there. As you can see here, nice blue tissue paper. Very cool. So what we have here is 2 Mene boxes. We're going to put these ribbons to the side. And I don't know which one is going to be which. Let's see if I can see which one feels heavier. This one feels heavier. We'll see if that ends up being true. The boxes slide out. That's really cool. And it looks like there is a little pouch and a little, it looks like a leather string there. Let's just make sure there's nothing in here. Nope, these are kind of like spacers. That's great. That's cool. These are actually really well put together boxes, like really heavy duty. So that's cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this to the side just for a second, as this actually feels, it's got some weight to it. This one I think felt a little heavier. We'll see here. Yeah, that one does feel a little heavier. The same situation where we got a little leather strap and the nice box. So we're going to put that right there. First, we're going to open up the lighter one here, as we can see here. Let's see what this one is. Actually, this is actually really heavy. The first charm is the lion head, and actually it's got some pretty good weight to it. Now, this is not going to show up well on the camera here because I don't have a special lens, but we'll take a photo of this at the end here, or we might insert in here just to see. So it is a lion head. It's about the size of a pea, but it's got really good weight to it. Wow. For a little thing, I can't believe it feels so heavy. And that's that. And I have my jeweler loop somewhere, and I wonder where the mint mark it is, or the hallmark. Yeah, the hallmark is right there. You're not going to be able to see it, but it says 24 karat Mene. So there is the first one. And the second one, I think this one was a crown. I'm not 100% sure. And I couldn't actually find my gram scale, unfortunately. In the move, we moved a lot of boxes around, so I could not find my gram scale because I'm super curious to know the exact weight on this thing. So we're gonna actually check this out here. And this one is the gold crown. Wow, that looks amazing. This one's still got pretty good weight to it. Not as heavy as the lion's head, but still some pretty good weight to it. As you can see here, it's a crown. You're not going to be able to see it too well, but we'll take a photo of that and you'll be able to see it. And this one also has the hallmark Mene 24 karat gold here on the bottom. So really cool. As a matter of fact, we'll just use these straps to kind of show, you know, if you have a charm bracelet, we'll put those on just like that. Whoa. It's so heavy it's falling off the strap. So we got a crown and a lion. Look at that. That is really cool. Let's see if we can put it against this so you can see it better. Really, really cool. So I want to thank Gold Matters for the amazing trade here. Like I said, I can't wait to find my gram scale to actually get an official weight on these. But for the trade, I'm very happy. These will be put away as for investment purposes. One of Mene's major thing is called investment gold. 24 karat gold is the best gold that you can get, to my knowledge. And so investing in gold is definitely something that I'm totally positive about, as precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, you know, is definitely has value throughout the thousands of years. So this is amazing. Thank you, Gold Matters. I really appreciate the trade. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. And yeah, definitely check out the links and all that stuff. So thank you. So that was the unboxing. I hope everyone had an amazing time there. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this amazing trade. This is the first time I think we've even heard of virtual items being traded for gold here on Steem. So once again, I'm Reseller here. Definitely go check out the links below. Check out Gold Matters and definitely go and follow him for sure for more stuff. And definitely check his link out. His affiliate link is going to be below. Once again, I'm Reseller here, and we'll see you next time. Take care.